Hey, this is Kyle Battis from NH Strategic Marketing. In this short video, I'm going to tell you some simple tips on how to protect your website against hackers. Small businesses lose millions and millions of dollars a year collectively because of hackers, right? And these are some simple tips that you can implement to keep your site protected and prevent your website from going down, prevent some scary stuff from happening to your website, losing money. I've got some crazy stories to share on real life examples of people we've had to help with hacks because they just weren't doing the right stuff, honestly. So I'm going to dive right in and tell you what we can do to help you. So just quickly, a little bit about us. We're from New Hampshire Strategic Marketing. We've been marketing online since 1999. Founded our agency, NH Strategic Marketing, in 2012. We have hundreds of clients, 14 different states, and we specialize in helping small businesses grow. We're a full-service marketing agency. We do online marketing consulting, web design, small business, search engine optimization, and even pay-per-click advertising. So let's dive in. How do we keep your website protected? Okay. So first and foremost, if you're running a WordPress website or a Shopify website, whatever website you're running, your password should not be admin. When you set up a WordPress site, as an example, by default, your username is going to be admin. And you should change that immediately, because guess where the hackers start when they're trying to break in to your site? If they can log in to the back of your site, then they have open court to do whatever they want. So you definitely want to shore up this. And it's such an easy thing to do, but we find a lot of people don't do it, okay? That's one of the first things we do when we set up a new site. We change that username and password. Now let's talk about passwords. You want to have a secure password. Guess what? The word password is not a good password. That's where a lot of hackers will start, because they know a lot of people will just use password as their password. Neither is I love you or password 123456789. You want to have a good password, okay? Using something like RoboForm or a password generator that's going to create a unique password with some unique characters in it is a good idea. Also, set up two-factor authentication on anything that you got to log into, if possible, right? That'll help keep you protected. It'll let you know when somebody's trying to log in to one of your accounts, from somewhere else. So that will help with that whole thing, all right? And I want to tell you a quick story about a website that we had to help. She got hacked. It was a WordPress website, and she was a very nice woman. Her website had been hacked, and she reached out to us asking for help. It turns out her site was compromised because she had a very weak password. Once the hackers gained access, they replaced her site content with very inappropriate content, and her audience is like moms and little kids. And so when she logged onto her website and saw the inappropriate content, she was mortified. All right, and you don't want that to happen. A hack like this can negatively affect a business reputation, but it can also have a less than ideal impact on the business, right? And cost a lot of money. So what we did, we immediately helped her change her password, remove the source of the hack, and lock down the site moving forward so it would not happen again. So, take my advice, change your password, change your username. Don't go with the obvious stuff, all right? Another really important tip when it comes to WordPress specifically is you want to update the core WordPress theme and the plugins on a regular basis. Another way that hackers can get into your website is because you're not doing the necessary updates. A website is like a vehicle, like a car, right? You've got to do regular maintenance on your car so that it continues to function properly. If you're not doing that regular maintenance, guess what's going to happen? Bad things are going to happen. Things are going to break down. For you, if you're not doing what you need to do, that's going to open the doors, open some ways in where the hackers can get in. I'll get another story for you. So we had another prospective client reach out to us. They approached us because their WordPress website had been hacked. And it was a pretty sophisticated hack where the hackers were redirecting anyone that came to their site to another completely unrelated website selling pills. And it was like a sexual performance type pill, right? And they did not have anything to do with that. Even their Google business page was redirecting visitors to the site. So our new client wasn't very happy about this and wanted to get it fixed because it was upsetting customers, costing them potentially new clients, and negatively affecting their online reputation. They even got some bad reviews from people that tried to go to their site, saw what they saw on the site, and left a review. That could cost them for a long time. So look, the fact of the matter is WordPress is an amazing platform and over 40% of companies use it to build their website, but it doesn't mean WordPress doesn't have its weaknesses. The biggest mistake we see business owners make with their WordPress site is they're not updating the core WordPress theme and the associated plugins on the site. And when that happens, out-of-date plugins and not being properly updated can allow a window, you're like leaving your window open for a burglar and inviting them to come right in and take whatever they want out of your house, right? So they'll break in to the site and they'll do some malicious activities, right? So our team at NH Strategic Marketing, what we did to solve that, we migrated the site to our secure server, made a variety of updates, including updating all the plugins and the security certificate on the site. Their site wasn't secure, wasn't HTTPS secure, and we have since locked down the site to prevent this from happening again. Our client is now very happy, business is back to being great, and they're doing all right. Another tip for you, shut off comments. If you got a WordPress site and you've got, like we had a small business client, they're a paper distribution company. They had comments on their site and people were, hackers can break in to your website through the comment section. So on most sites, comments are just not helpful and lead to spam links that could allow hackers to break into your website. You definitely don't want that happening. And so you want to lock that down, right? And most importantly, when you get a website done, working with a good professional web design company, they're going to do the right things, okay? They're like, the mechanic that's going to continuously work on your car. They'll back up your site daily, monitor for vulnerabilities and hacking attempts, and if there's any, and they'll provide assistance if there's any problems that arise, right? We see a lot of web designers that will just build the site, give it to the client, and say, good luck, happy day. And a lot of clients don't know about these type of hacking kind of things, and they're just left open to vulnerabilities, right? So a good web design company will be doing the ongoing maintenance, keeping everything up to date, making sure it's locked down, and really prevent anything from happening. So if you've had a hack on your website and you're looking for assistance, I invite you to reach out to me. Just go to meetwithkyle.com. We can have a conversation, do a little bit of research, and figure out what happened, how to fix it, and how to move on. So hope you got some value from this video. If you like this, please leave a comment, please like it, please share, and go check out some of our other videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.